A metabolic diet aims to increase metabolism, achieve more efficient use of calories, and accelerate the fat-burning mechanism. Traditional diets focus on counting calories or reducing calorie intake. Pro-metabolic eating supports metabolism by tuning into your body's needs. This approach rejects the diet mentality and focuses instead on listening to your body's cues. Breakfast is vital. Skipping it is stressful for the body, making you more likely to overeat during the day. Additionally, smaller food portions at frequent intervals speed up metabolism, improve body composition, and reduce weight. Avoiding processed foods is equally important, and so is refining your carb intake and exercising regularly. A metabolic diet is effective because it offers eating strategies that speed up weight loss efforts, improve your metabolic health, increase your immune system, and accelerate the conversion of food into energy. The result is a healthy body, more energy, and better overall well-being.